If you want to change a theme on OPPO Reno 15, what you can do is, first of all, we're gonna go to settings in your phone. So let's open settings. There we go. Now in here we can go to the home screen, lock screen and style. And then in here you can find a bunch of different themes that you can use. We have some of these themes pre-made for us, pre-installed or prepared. You can also tap on all Flux themes in order to find even more themes that you can use on your phone. You should also be able to download new themes from here in case you want to try something new. And if you scroll all the way down, then in here we can tap on View Online Themes in order to open the theme store. And we also have some past collections that you can use as well. So let's say, for example, I want to use this theme over here. After selecting it, of course, I can still adjust it without any issues. And at the bottom, we have some additional options that you can go through. Let me actually change icons in this case to the classic ones. There we go. And then once you are ready, you can just simply use apply button in the upper right corner. And that is pretty much it. There we go. We're gonna go to the home screen and we have a new theme. Leave a like and subscribe.